Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Today I'm in Brewster cleaning some gutters. Here's something that we see all the time. Alright, so these gutters have these common guards. See them under different brand names, but the idea is all the same. They're supposed to keep stuff from getting into the gutter. Leaves, pine needles, etc. Problem is, everyone thinks they're maintenance free, but they're not. These holes, or any type of holes, are going to let small particles of tree debris get into the gutter, and when left over time to pile up, this is what you get. You get a pile an inch or more deep of crud in the bottom of the gutter. Trees start to grow in there, plants, bushes, weeds, clogs up. Gutters aren't being gutters anymore. So just because you have this type of guard doesn't mean they're maintenance free. Give us a call if you have gutters or gutter guards or any combination of that. 508-209-1972.